What's going on, guys? So I'm bringing you today a quick little overview, kind of review of the 2020 MacBook Air. So a little backstory for you. My wife has been using a 2012 Samsung laptop for the past 8 years. Now, any of us who are into tech will know that's really bad. It's going to be a pretty terrible computer. To start, it had one of the older AMD processors, and pre-Ryzen AMD is not very good. It did have 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is not bad whatsoever, but it was also 15.6 inch, and it's about that thick. So I decided for her birthday to upgrade her, and she had her eye on the 2020 MacBook Air. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. So it's my wife's birthday today, and I've been waiting on this MacBook Air to come in for almost a month now. It's the new 2020 MacBook Air for her birthday. It was going to be coming in tomorrow, which is the day after her birthday, but by some random luck, it just came in today. So she'll be home soon, and we're gonna see if she likes it. We got her the 13-inch MacBook Air 2020 with the quad-core i5, and she'll be upgrading from this. So I'm really excited. She's gonna absolutely love it, and I'm really excited to see her reaction. She works so hard every single day, and she never buys herself anything. She never buys herself nice things. So she's been dealing with a not very good laptop for so long that I just really wanted to treat her, to show her how much I appreciate her. And she deserves the world. She deserves to have nice things. She's got some dreams that hopefully this will help her be able to achieve. I just love her so much, and I just can't wait for her to see it. I'm just so excited. I just love her to bits. So I'm just waiting for my wife to get off work, and as soon as she comes out, we've got the computer waiting for her. So we'll see how she reacts. Okay, here she comes.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah.
What the heck? Oh, it's so pretty.
You excited?
Yeah. You scamboozled me.
Better lighting. Over here.
Ooh. Oh, wow.
How does it feel?
Skinny.
Is it light
Yeah.
but solid?
Yeah. Smells like plastic.
Ooh. So the model that I got for her has the Intel Core i5 quad-core processor. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it's got 256 gigabyte SSD. You could opt for the higher spec model, but it is a MacBook Air. She's not intending to do any video editing, just some light photo editing and browsing. The MacBook Air has the lovely hinge that Apple is famous for. One hand to open, one finger to unlock using Touch ID, and that gorgeous Spacious trackpad. It has a 16:10 aspect ratio with an almost 400 nit brightness display. The new Magic Keyboard is a very comfortable keyboard to type on. It rivals the XPS 13 that I have personally, and I can strongly recommend this keyboard. The 2020 MacBook Air features a backlit keyboard with multiple stages of brightness. These MacBooks come with a 30-watt USB-C wall charger. The computer has two USB-C ports on the left side and a headphone jack on the right side. That's all they've got. It's pretty minimal, but in the day of dongles, it doesn't bother me too much. Some people may find that to be an issue, however. Since it does not have any USB-A ports, you will need a USB-C to USB-A adapter. I'll leave a link in the description to this one. It's very cheap and it keeps with the aesthetic of the MacBook. It also does not have an HDMI port, so a USB-C to HDMI converter will be required. I will also leave a link in the description to this one, as I've used it and had no issues with it. So overall, at this point, I'm pretty happy with the computer. I've only used it a small amount, but she is just ecstatic. She loves it. She sits on it for hours at a time, just browsing, just because she enjoys being on it now. It feels so personal, and she just loves the way the UI flows and everything. I'm really happy for her, and she started to use it for some of her personal dreams and aspirations, some of that work. So all in all, I'm super happy with the purchase. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you can see more videos like this. If you liked the video, found it entertaining, anything like that, hit that like button. It helps a lot. And we'll catch you next time.